Every day, we're exposed to substances that can silently increase our risk of cancer, from the air we breathe to the food we eat, and even the products we use. But how much of this risk is truly within our control? And which carcinogens are scientifically proven to cause harm? That's what we are going to answer in today's video. What is a carcinogen? A carcinogen is any substance or exposure that promotes cancer by damaging DNA, disrupting cellular processes, or causing chronic inflammation. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, or IARC, part of the World Health Organization, evaluates these risks. Their Group 1 category includes over 120 agents proven to cause cancer in humans, based on strong direct evidence from human studies. Lifestyle-related carcinogens. Let's begin with the ones we're most familiar with. Lifestyle choices. Tobacco smoking is one of the most dangerous. Cigarettes contain over 70 known carcinogens. Smoking causes lung, throat, bladder, pancreatic, and many other cancers, and is responsible for about 20% of all cancer deaths worldwide. Even secondhand smoke and smokeless tobacco are proven carcinogens. Next, alcoholic beverages. When you drink, your body breaks ethanol down into acetaldehyde, a compound that directly damages DNA. Regular drinking increases the risk of breast, liver, colorectal, and esophageal cancers. Then there's processed meat, like bacon, ham, and sausages. These foods contain nitrates and nitrites, which can form cancer-causing compounds during processing or cooking. The IARC classifies processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens, linked especially to colorectal cancer. Environmental carcinogens. Now let's look at environmental exposures. Asbestos, once used in construction materials, causes mesothelioma and lung cancer when its tiny fibers are inhaled. Radon, a natural radioactive gas that seeps from soil into homes, is the second leading cause of lung cancer and the top cause among non-smokers. Outdoor air pollution, especially fine particulate matter from traffic and industry, contributes to lung cancer as well. Diesel exhaust has also been classified as carcinogenic, and don't forget ultraviolet radiation from the sun or tanning beds. UV rays directly damage DNA in skin cells, leading to melanoma and other skin cancers. Occupational carcinogens. In the workplace, certain chemicals and exposures pose serious risks. Benzene, found in gasoline and industrial solvents, causes leukemia. Arsenic, present in some pesticides, mining dust, and contaminated drinking water, leads to skin, lung, and bladder cancers. Formaldehyde, used in building materials, furniture, and embalming fluids, is linked to nasal, throat, and blood cancers. Workers in rubber manufacturing, painting, or aluminum production also face higher risks due to prolonged chemical exposure. Biological carcinogens. Infections that cause cancer. Finally, let's talk about infections, an often overlooked cause of cancer. Chronic infection with hepatitis B or C viruses can lead to liver cancer. Certain strains of human papillomavirus, or HPV, especially types 16 and 18, cause cervical, anal, and throat cancers. And the stomach bacterium Helicobacter pylori, or H. pylori, is a proven cause of gastric cancer. How carcinogens cause cancer? Some directly damage DNA, creating mutations that allow cells to grow uncontrollably. Others cause chronic inflammation or weaken the immune system, making it easier for cancer cells to survive. This process often takes years or even decades, which is why reducing exposure now can make a huge difference later. How to protect yourself. Quit smoking and avoid secondhand smoke. Limit alcohol and cut down on processed meats. Test your home for radon. Simple kits are affordable and easy to use. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen and avoid tanning beds. Get vaccinated against HPV and hepatitis B. Follow workplace safety guidelines, especially if you handle chemicals, and support clean air and water initiatives in your community. Remember, not every exposure leads to cancer, but every reduction in risk matters. Cancer prevention starts with awareness. By understanding what carcinogens are and where they come from, you're already taking the first step toward protecting your health and your loved ones. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps spread awareness and could save lives. Stay informed, stay healthy,